Hi guys, today I'm making a bit of this is not a regular recipe. I'm just doing this with free-handedly doing this. I would like to make some small bath bombs, and let me tell you guys, this bath bomb, I haven't made bath bombs for a while, and you will see, it was like a disaster, but okay, today I am using Serafina Coastal Colors. These are all dyes, and I'm going to bloom this with the baking soda. So I'm using a red 28, teal, yellow, I think it's yellow, and a blue color. Okay, so my baking soda and the colors, everything is all dry now. So I'm going to mix this up and bring you guys back. Okay guys, so you saw that with bath bombs. I had to add a bit of oil to the mix, and I add a bit more cream of tartar to the mix, and that was the problem. It didn't have enough liquids in it to make the bath bomb. And yeah, this happens sometimes. This is not a regular recipe. I just make this up as I go along. I made it up. Okay, guys, thank you so much for hanging in with me and for watching. If you have any questions or you would like a free recipe, Feel free to message me on my Facebook or Instagram. The links are below this video. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.